chance, take a chance.
Yeah, yeah. Take it.
Take a chance, take a chance.
Hey guys, this is Karan, and in this video I'm gonna go through the introduction of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna go through the basic notations. Okay, when I say up, this is your up side, this is your right side, this is your left side, front side, bottom side, and the back side. So whenever I say right, turn a cube such that the right side is facing you. Turn the right side 90 degrees clockwise. Right prime is gonna be 90 degrees anti-clockwise. The same way front prime, left prime, bottom prime, up prime, back and back prime. So these are the basic notations. Now let's go through all the steps that I'm gonna be teaching you. Okay, there are totally 7 steps. The first step, what you have to do is make a cross. In this case, I've done the cross on the white side. Not only the cross, but you should also make sure that the piece, the color that's present on the edge, that is in this case white and orange, other than white, orange, should be lined up with the orange face. So one more thing I forgot to tell you is that the centerpiece determines which color that side's gonna be. In this case, the centerpiece is red, so this whole face should be red. Blue, the whole face should be blue. So like that. Okay, the first step is making the cross, like this. In the second step, that is after you completed the cross, I'm gonna be teaching you how to solve the first layer of the cube. As you can see, the first layer here is solved. And then in step 3, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the second layer of the cube, like this. I'll just quickly solve that. Okay, as you can see, the second layer is solved. And then, in the third step, I'm going to teach you how to do a cross on the yellow side, that is opposite to the white side. I'll just quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, there you have it, a cross on the yellow side. And then, I'm going to teach you how to put these corner pieces in position. Just gonna do that. Yeah. There. Red and blue, red and blue. Blue and orange, blue and orange. Blue and orange, sorry. Orange and green, orange and green. Red and green, red and green. Okay, so there you have it. And then, in the next step, I'm gonna be teaching you how to complete the yellow side. So now you can see that the yellow side is complete. And then in the last step, that is step 7, I'm gonna be teaching you how to complete the whole cube. As you can see, there are 3 more pieces that has to be put in the right position. Okay, so there you have a completed cube. So just click the link that is given here or in the description so that you can start watching your tutorial videos from now.